over 3 decades, Emmvee has shaped the solar industry with one clear vision to lead through innovation, scale, and performance. What began with solar thermal solutions soon expanded into photovoltaic manufacturing. And today, our impact reaches across continents, industries, and communities. 1992, the journey begins with solar water heating. 2007, Emmvee Photovoltaic Power Limited is established with 15 megawatt capacity. 2025 capacity expands to 7.80 gigawatt modules and 2.94 gigawatt cell. That growth is powered by precision, by quality, and by continuous upgradation. With advanced technologies such as TOPCon and next-generation PV solutions, our products don't just meet industry benchmarks. They set them, ensuring efficiency and reliability for every application. From India to the world, our footprint in solar innovation continues to expand. Our solutions power industries, accelerate clean energy transitions, and enable sustainable growth. Every project we deliver fuels progress, shaping a future that is cleaner, smarter, and more resilient.